today I will show you all of my fidgets and let's start and show you all of my fidgets. Okay, so my fidgets, gotta take it out. I'll be back in a second. Okay, now I got all of my fidgets out. We're gonna show you my fidgets. In this drawer, I have the random fidgets like mini puppets, snappers, and a snake. In here, I have my stress balls. So for the stress balls and these. At this top, I have this shimmer bear. It doesn't fit in my stress ball since it's too big. So I just put it in my puppet bin. And here I have a puppet ball, 3 puppets, and 2 DIYs. And then now, here I have this slime and this. Behind this mirror, I have my pop tubes. And then in this last drawer, I just have kisses, this for Naro, and two slinkies, and then other. So, that might be all. So, goodbye!